The CoinSource channel is pleased to have you back. Following multiple teasers, the well-known American exchange finally released the self-custody option called the Pole Vault, and early access was granted to XRP investors. The results of the Palau stablecoin pilot program, which were disclosed by Ripple Labs and the Palau Ministry of Finance, outline the next steps for the project's roadmap. With the harsh regulatory crackdown on Biden's liquidity taking place within a month, the platform's XRP reserve has also dropped 1.1%. Finally, market analyst Cryptus sees a fresh upward trend for XRP coming soon. It appears that XRP's edge against Ethereum has been sustained thus far in 2023. I hope you'll stick around to the end so we can look at all the trends, and more, regardless of what's happening now. The announcement of Uphold Vault's release was made by the Trade to X, who lauded it as an innovative self-custody option that offers support. One solution that can keep private keys safe and crypto assets secure is crypto-based vaults. The vault is linked to 3 keys, and the exchange asserts that it employs a mechanism with multiple signatures. An uphold key, a backup key, and a vault key are all that are needed. The fact that consumers are able to retain 2 out of the 3 keys is crucial. If you want to finish a deal, you'll need both keys. Thanks to the method Uphold put in place, users can continue to work independently even if the Uphold system goes down. Additionally, the exchange can assist users in regaining access to the vault in the event that they misplace either the primary or secondary key. However, as said by Uphold, they will be unable to access their assets or keys during the replacement process by the exchange. All the while, you're in full control. We guarantee that your assets will always be accessible, even in the event that our systems fail. Interestingly, the American exchange stuck to its word from July and, as stated by the exchange, limited access to the Uphold Vault in beta to only XRP holders. Although they are only now accepting XRP, the exchange has promised to extend support for more cryptocurrencies in the coming weeks. The announcement claims that XRP holders now have access to the vault. Eventually, we hope to provide compatibility for even more networks and coins. We are eagerly anticipating the XRP community's realization of Hold Vault's boundless potential. One interpretation is that this is an effort to forge closer links with the XRP community. Unlike other assisted crypto self-custody systems, this one actually lets individuals trade, not only connect to an internet trading platform. That's what makes it stand out. If you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, we will notify you as soon as we hear any fresh XRP news. Cybersecurity specialist and board member of the Palau Ministry of Finance, J. Hunter Anson, recently alerted the public of this situation. Anson informed X that the report's file contains the results of the Phase 1 pilot and forwarded it to him. You might recall that the initial pilot stage of the Palau stablecoin project started in March, but token distribution didn't start until June. We now know, however, that Ripple announced the news on July 26. Shortly thereafter, J. Hunter Anson livestreamed a demonstration of the stablecoin's functionality. Now that the phase is over, the most current update provides statistics from the phase detailing the results based on the experiences of the participants. There was a conclusion to the Phase 1 trial on September 29. With a maximum of 20,000 Palau stablecoin MITAD, 168 people took part. The project team distributed 16,900 PSC to the 168 participants, with a minimum of 100 PSC per wallet. This amounted to $20,000, as the stablecoin remains pegged to the dollar. During the course of the experiment, participants processed 729 transactions, 463 of which were payments to merchants. Concurrently, 168 transactions went toward distribution payments and 64 were peer-to-peer. The first phase also saw the destruction of up to 14,534 PSC tokens. The project team also polled all 168 trial participants after the trial ended to gauge their sentiment towards the stablecoin. There were 168 respondents out of a total of 168 who had completed the poll as of October 9, 1983. The stablecoin was well regarded by the majority of respondents, 36.6%. just under 9% thought it was awful, while 13% thought it was fantastic. The majority of users gave high marks for the ease of use, quick transactions, and lack of need to carry cash as reasons for their satisfaction. Despite the fact that Ripple used its CBDC platform to construct both the stable currency wallet and the project's blockchain architecture, 58.7% of customers reported that the wallet was easy to set up and make payments with. Despite the fact that 9.8% of respondents found it challenging. Despite this, more than 50% of survey takers mentioned disadvantages, such as a slow wallet, difficulty scanning QR codes at POS terminals, and the pain of having to enter in the recipient's address by hand. Upon discovering these issues, the project team wasted little time in implementing remedies. In accordance with the results, the vast majority of responders, 81%. Retail sales, 87.8%, peer-to-peer transfers, 67.1%, and cross-border payments, 61%, round out the top 3 use cases for the stablecoin. The article claims that stablecoins were well received in the Phase 1 pilot and would be useful for the country's present system. The majority of respondents would support the stablecoin's full deployment if it were approved by the government. The article claims that the following phases of ecosystem development will encompass common users, banks, regulatory bodies, and legal and regulatory frameworks. The team will ensure that everything is seamlessly integrated into the stablecoin network. Further, as shown in its most current proof of reserve report, Nance's XRP reserve as of November 1st has declined somewhat as of December 1st, according to our personal data. Popular currencies respond to regulatory uncertainty across platforms, and the market's intrinsic imbalance is reflected in the abrupt decrease. Despite the DOJ's $4.3 billion settlement with the exchange, trading Nance's XRP is still obviously dangerous. No matter how steadily Binance's XRP reserve has been declining month after month, the trading platform is always ready to process withdrawal requests. The Binance's XRP reserve is $17 billion, with a massive surplus of $74,200,000. In November, the trading platform was somewhat protected against withdrawal shocks caused by the high liquidity pool and XRP reserve. This was in response to founder Jumping CZ Zhao's resignation following his conflict with the Department of Justice. Nance has been publicly available to the public for several months now, ever since it began posting the Proof of Reserve report, which may explain why its loyal customers have such faith in the company. Nance is the leading cryptocurrency exchange in terms of daily trading volume, despite the fact that it has been threatened by the Department of Justice. The primary focus of this piece is on the 2023 performance of XRP and Ethereum. If you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, we will notify you as soon as we hear any fresh XRP news. Assuming that the two crypto exchanges' charts will reveal price movements within the same timeframe, they have created combined charts displaying the weekly price movement of XRP. From January 2023 all the way through December 2023, we will be taking interest. This year, XRP's price behavior has been mainly promising, as pointed out by Cryptus. It was necessary to bring it up again, though, because XRP investors are losing faith in the cryptocurrency as a whole since it has failed to capitalize on Bitcoin's recent price surge. Cryptus reports a 116% spike in XRP's value. I launched XRP in January of 2023. With a positive outlook, prices dropped for 3 consecutive months in 2022, October, December. At the end of January 2023, the digital currency was worth 40 cents, a 19% increase. Its monthly losing streak ended as a result of this increase. Since then, the price of XRP has wildly gone up and down. The current price of the asset is 68 cents. Despite having optimistic years, Ethereum's rate of increase has lagged behind XRP's, according to Cryptus Transparency. As we can see from the graph, Ethereum's value has increased by 91% since the start of 2023. Crypto has pointed out that despite XRP's tremendous price growth this year, the asset still has a lot of potential. There is still a long way to go for Ethereum to surpass Ethereum, as its current market worth is at $270.5 billion, compared to XRP's price of $36 billion. Market valuation estimates put Ethereum's value at around 8 times that of XRP. A 706% increase to $5.08 in XRP price would be required to attain a theoretical market cap. Many market watchers have made guesses regarding this rise, but nobody knows for sure what it is. Using the current situation as an example, Cryptus expressed his hope for a fresh and long-lasting surge for XRP. New evidence suggests that XRP underperformed at the start of the 2017 bull run as well. Be that as it may, the asset ultimately outperformed Bitcoin and other tokens. The price of XRP has risen by 11%. The demand for XRP has not waned, trading volume increased by 19% in the last day, and Ethereum's price has risen by 12% in the last 7 days. Feel free to express your thoughts and feelings in the designated area below. Simply enjoy the video before casting your vote for it. Get on board by subscribing and turning on the bell. Goodbye for now.